Hello students, welcome to the online studies. In today's session, you are going to learn about the exercise part of your subject Social Science of Standard 7th and chapter number 8 Delhi during medieval period. Let's start with the choose the correct option. Question number 1. Who was the first Muslim ruler of India? Options A. Altamash, B. Shahabuddin Ghori, C. Iltutmish, or D. Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. So the correct answer is option D. Next one, question number 2. Who is considered to be the real founder of slave dynasty? Options A. Shahabuddin Ghori, B. Qutb-ud-Din Aibak, C. Iltutmish, or D. Muhammad Ghori. Correct answer is option C. Question number 3. Who established the Khilji dynasty in Delhi? Options Nasir Uddin, B. Ghiyasuddin, C. Alauddin, or D. Jalaluddin. The correct answer is option D. Now question number 4. In which year did Alauddin Khilji become ruler of Delhi? Options A. In 1246 CE, B. In 1296 CE, C. In 1298 CE, or it's D. In 1289 CE. The correct answer is option B. Last one, question number 5. Who established the Tughlaq dynasty in Delhi? Options A. Ghiyasuddin, B. Alauddin, C. Muhammad Tughlaq, or D. Jalaluddin. So the correct answer is option A. Next one, fill in the blanks. First, Dash completed the construction of Qutub Minar. Answer Iltutmish. Second, the Vijayanagar kingdom was situated on the bank of river Dash. Answer is Tungabhadra. Third one, Dash was a capable minister of Bahmani state. Answer is Muhammad Gawan. Next one, fourth, Amir Khusrau was a famous poet in the court of Dash. Answer is Alauddin Khilji. Last one, fifth, Dash was enthroned after Razia Sultan. Answer is Nasir Uddin. Now, true or false, and if the statement is false, then you have to write the true statement. First one, Razia was a daughter of Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Answer is false. True statement, Razia was a daughter of Iltutmish and she was a granddaughter of Qutb-ud-Din Aibak. Second one, even though Razia was a woman, she was accepted as a ruler. Answer is false. So, true statement, being a woman, she was not accepted as a ruler. Third one, in Dak Chowki, a postal service postman was called Halkaru. Answer is true. Next one, question number 4. Vidyanaraya Swami had inspired Harihara and Bhukato established the state of Vijayanagar. Answer is true. Last one, Sikandar Lodi was intolerant in the matter of religion. Answer is true. Now answer the following question. Question number 1. Who established the slave dynasty? Answer, you know, Qutb-ud-Din Aibak established the slave dynasty. Question number 2. Razia, a powerful female ruler, Write your views on this topic. Answer. Razia was the first female ruler of the throne of India. She possessed all the qualities of a clever ruler. She was no She was more efficient and intelligent in administration than her two brothers. She was just generous and a patron of learn. She was expert in horse riding, swordsmanship, and in the art of war. She went to the battlefield commanding her army. She dressed like a male. She sat in the court keeping away her burqa. She had taken control over administration with her own might. There was a great influence of wealthy and aristocrats in the court of Delhi. The conservative, wealthy, and aristocrats would hardly tolerate a female ruling over them. They felt it insulting. So they made Tarachi against her and made her murdered. Last one, question number 4. Describe the reforms of Alauddin Khilji. Answer. Alauddin Khilji was made the following reforms. First one, he had control on the power of ulyams and umraus. Second, he made strict laws to control prices of commodities of basic needs. Third one, he punished profit seeking and fraudulent traders severely. Next one, he put a ban over exporting grains abroad. Fifth one, he started levy system of grains for revenue. And last one, he started a detective department to spy on anti-rule state elements. So, this was the end of today's session. I hope you have understand the exercise part. Do your homework regularly. And till the next session, stay home, stay safe.